Welcome back to This Week in Agribusiness. Farmers are always looking to push to that next frontier when it comes to production on the farm. One way many are looking to do that is with the addition of biologicals. Joining us now to discuss it is Dave SCHROCK, an Indiana farmer who's partnered with MOSAIC on biologicals. And Dave, thanks for talking with us today.
Well, thanks, Mike. It's a pleasure being here.
Tell us a little bit about your operation.
So we farm in north central Indiana. Town is BREMEN, Indiana. Farm with my family. My son is our operations manager, and my daughter's our CFO.
And I understand you're working with the MOSAIC Frontier Fields program. Dave, can you tell us a little bit about what that is?
Yes, we are working with the MOSAIC Bioscience Division, and it's been a great experience. They have brought several biological products to the ag sector that they have researched for a long time, and very solid agronomic biologicals, so we're excited to be a part of that program.
And I understand you've been able to put some of those to the test on your operation this year. Dave, what have you seen? What have you learned?
So I've been a long-time advocate of soil health on our farm, and we have seen nutrient uptake advantages. We have seen an uptick in certain micronutrients and phosphorus uptake early in the plant. So it's a bacillus product that is already in the soil, so it's just enhancing what is already in our soil. So we have seen some advantages.
Now, which crops are you using the biologicals on?
So we actually have it on corn and soybeans this year. We had it on corn only in '23, but this year we have some on corn and soybeans.
Now, Dave, I'm hearing a lot about biologicals from farmers as I travel the countryside. I imagine you are too. What are you hearing across the industry?
Yeah, it seems like biologicals is the buzzword of the year, the era, whatever. So I would caution growers to know their suppliers and know that those suppliers have data to back up their claims. There's a lot of claims made in the biological sector. There's good biology and there's biology that's probably not so good. So I would really encourage farmers to do their research.
Now, when you look at your fields and you're watching this crop year develop, what are you watching for examples of the product working?
Yeah, so plant health, greener plants, stronger plants. Then we do weekly tissue tests, just like they would do lab work on you and I. And we check our plants weekly and we watch for nutrient uptake.
All right. Now, working with MOSAIC, how's that been from your perspective as a grower?
Well, MOSAIC has been very good to work with. We would, as growers, probably think it's a big company and the personal thing is gone, but it's about people, and they have very good people, and it's just been a pleasure to work with MOSAIC on this project.
Now, what would you say to farmers who are considering a biological, Dave?
Well, I would go back to what I just said a couple minutes ago, is to make sure that you understand what it is you're addressing on your farm, and then research the biology sector and find the product that is going to do what you want it to do, and that there's data to back up that they have been able to do what you want to do.
Dave, a lot of this information, of course, is available online. Where would you send viewers if they want to learn more about Frontier Fields?
So MOSAIC has a site that you can go to called True Response, and you will see plots across the country. Our plots are in there, and you can compare soil types and environments and see if it might be a fit for you.
Dave SCHROCK, Bremen, Indiana, thanks for talking with us this week.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure.